First of all, thanks for being here in my YouTube channel. So now let me move on to the basic level arrangement number 10. So 8 friends A to H are sitting around a circle and all of them are facing the center. So it's a direct question because all the 8 persons are sitting in a circle and also all the 8 persons are facing the center. Got it? So point number 1. F sits fourth to left of B. So B left hand side at the fourth place is F. So let me fix B here. If B is facing center, then B right hand side will be this side, left hand side will be this side. So B left hand side 1, 2, 3, 4. At the fourth place we have F. Next point. A and H are immediate neighbors of F. So F immediate neighbor is either A or H. So what we can do is we can fix A here, one possible. Or otherwise I can fix A here too, because A and H should be an immediate neighbor of F. So I can just make down a note that A and H should be placed here, or otherwise A and H. So this is the place for either A or H. C sits third to left of A. So A left hand side at a third place is C. Okay. So A left hand side third place C. Just see, if I fix A here, for example I am saying, if I fix A here, A left hand side will be this side. So 1, 2, 3, whether I can fix C? No, it is not possible. Definitely I should fix A here, no other way. So A left hand side at the third place is C. So now A left hand side will be this side. So 1, 2, 3. So this should be C. We already know that H and A is an immediate neighbor of F. So finally I fixed F, H, A, C, B. Okay. Last point. G sits third to right of E. So E right hand side at the third place is G. No other way. We have only 3 options. I should fix E here. So E right hand side at the third place is G. That's it. What is the remaining that we have? A, B, C, D is remaining. So I should fix D here. That's it. Very easiest arrangement. Got it. There are 2 options. Either I can fix A here or A here. But if I fix A here, then A left hand side at the third place is C. We can't able to fix C here because already we fixed B. So only one chance that A should be fixed here, H should be fixed here. Only then we can say A and H are an immediate neighbors of F. And then I fix the remaining data based upon the given points. Got it? So this will be the answer for arrangement number 10.